Good evening, sir.
Evening.
Yes, Vani.
Hello, Aarti.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good evening, sir.
Hello, Afreen.
Good evening, sir.
Hello, everybody.
Good evening, sir.
Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Abhishek.
Good evening, sir.
Hello, Sana. So, guys, today we are gonna do the what? What are we gonna do today, guys? Oh, there was one page. Yeah, right. Page number 12. Okay. Yes. So we are very close to starting a new unit. Okay, good. Mm. Daily routines. Okay, dear students. So you have sent your answers in the group? Very nice. Very good. Kashif Iqbal. Well done. Anish. Well done, Anish. And Anshu. Chiku. Very good. I'm just checking out your answers here. Hmm. Shabnam has sent an audio. Okay, 35 pounds for the day. Apurva. I think I have already checked this. Okay. Roshin. I think it is not Roshin, Roshin's sister. Uh-huh. Okay. Everybody, just look at number 4 here. Just look at number 4 here. The first train to Paris doesn't leave before 5 a.m. It leaves after 5 p.m.
Good
5
evening, sir.
a.m. Good evening, Sanyogita ma'am. It leaves after 5 at 5:25. Yeah, that's important to, contrast, not before, after. Okay. Several means more than two. So he doesn't do several journeys every day because sometimes he does only 2 journeys. Okay. So number 5 is false, right? And notice here, sometimes he start late. No, not a start. He starts, okay? He starts late. Good. Okay. I think we are ready to do this. Guys, let's look at this exercise. First of all, we have some phrases, lovely phrases in English, okay? First phrase is have breakfast. Look at the phrases in the box. Okay, what is a phrase, people? What does a phrase mean, Abhishek? What is a phrase?
What is it?
What were you paying attention to?
Sir, I am supposed to give you. Sorry, sir.
What is a phrase? Everybody tell me, what is a phrase? Phrase क्या होता है? What's a phrase?
The phrase is true statement.
Yes, Amit?
The phrase is the true statement.
Phrase is a true statement. एक किसने बोला तुमको अमित?
किसी
उस
ने
जाहिल आदमी का नाम बताओ. जिसने भी बोला उसको जाहिल आजम का किताब दिया जाएगा. He will be awarded with this crown, जाहिल आजम. आजम क्या? सना? जाहिल आजम या आजम?
Azam.
आजम.
Azam.
जाहिल आजम. Okay, yeah. Because nothing can be more, I think, stupid than this statement. A phrase is a true statement. Wow. Guys, a phrase in English is a group of words which make sense together. In English, a phrase is a group of words which make sense together, which have a meaning together. We call them a phrase. For example, let's take an example, a boy. Now, how many words do you see? Two, more than one. So it is a group. It is a group of two words, right? A boy. It is a phrase because a boy has a meaning, right? A boy. Like in boy A is not a phrase. Boy A is not a phrase. A boy is a phrase. I hope you understand what I mean. A boy is a phrase, but boy A is not a phrase. A boy has a meaning. Boy A is not nothing. So a group of words which have a meaning together is called a phrase. Okay, now at work. Yes, it has a meaning. At work, Kampe. Okay. So at work is a phrase. There are two words, but work at, nah, it's nothing. It doesn't make any sense together. Work at, no. Now let's see. On the roof. It is also a phrase.
Makes sense.
There are three words and they make sense together. Now, two girls is also a phrase because there are two words, two and girls, two girls. But when I say girls two, TWO, then it doesn't make sense together. So beta, a phrase
evening,
is
sir.
a group of words. Hello, Imtiaz, you're late a little bit.
Yes.
So a phrase is a group of words, two words, three words, four words together, which make sense, which have a meaning. We call them a phrase. So in this box, do you see phrases?
Have a breakfast.
Do you see phrases? Have breakfast, go
Yes,
home, start work, get up, finish work, have lunch, go to work, have a shower, watch TV, get dressed, have dinner, go to bed. These are all phrases. Now, before I do anything more, I just want to ask you a question. आप यही बोलते थे या कुछ और बोलते थे ये आइडियाज देने के लिए? जैसे हैव ब्रेकफास्ट मतलब नाश्ता करना. तो आप आज से पहले तक नाश्ता करना के लिए क्या इंग्लिश बोलते थे? डू ब्रेकफास्ट बोलते थे कि हैव ब्रेकफास्ट?
Do breakfast.
do breakfast.
My voice is loud. Imtiaz says my voice is loud. Everybody else, is my voice too loud?
No, sir.
No, sir, it's good.
It's good.
It's
So
good.
those
Yes,
people who feel that my voice is too loud, okay, if you think my voice is too loud, turn down the volume of your mobile phone speaker or earphones, whatever. Turn down the volume. You can do it. The control is in your hand. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. I was saying, have breakfast, nasta karna. Yeah. So maybe until today, until yesterday, maybe you said do breakfast matlab nasta karna, but now you know nasta karna in English. What is the English of nasta karna, dear students?
Have breakfast.
Taking breakfast.
नहीं नहीं नहीं, wrong wrong wrong, गलत
Have
बात है।
breakfast.
सामने लिखा है नाश्ता करना के
Have a
इंग्लिश।
breakfast.
नहीं नहीं,
Have
ए किधर है, किधर है, ए
Have
किधर है?
Have
breakfast.
breakfast.
ये सब आपके फोकस का लैप्स है, लैप्स इन फोकस, कि आपने वहां ए देखा नहीं था। दोस्तों, only bring your focus and learn fast. Have breakfast. There is no A here. There is no take breakfast. Okay. It is have breakfast. Have breakfast means
नाश्ता
नाश्ता
करना
करना।
नाश्ता करना
obviously. Now tell me, if you want to say कि हम 8 बजे नाश्ता करते हैं, how will you say that?
I have my
breakfast at 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock.
लेकिन मेरे पापा 10 बजे नाश्ता करते हैं।
But my papa
My
have my father has
breakfast at
my father has
my father has breakfast.
my father has
His breakfast at 10 o'clock. At 10 o'clock.
Yes. I have breakfast at 8 o'clock, but my father has breakfast at 10 o'clock. And why did I change has? Because I said my father means he. He में S लगाना था ना? S लगा दिया? Have में S लगाए, क्या बना?
has
My father has breakfast at 8, 10. Suhani, message your friends Aisha and Aisha's brother. What is his name? Mahfouz, where is your brother? Where is your sister?
Daily, sir.
So are they already in Delhi?
Yeah. Study के लिए.
Message them to join the class. They told me that they are going to Delhi and they would like to join online classes now. And they
Yeah.
were ready to pay for the online classes as well, the extra money. And so just message them, Mahfouz, invite them, okay? Invite them.
Yeah,
Tell
sir.
them.
आज ही गई है, sir.
Oh, आज ही गई हैं. Okay, so maybe they will join in a day or two. Okay. आज ही गई हैं. कैसे बोलेंगे दोस्तों? They have left today. They have?
Not today. They have left today.
Yeah, they left today. Okay, let's see.
So
Yes, Apurva, how are you today?
sorry for being late.
Good that you learned. Okay, you used sorry for being late. Very nice. ऐसे ही सीखते जाओ अपनी गलतियों से. अपनी गलतियां करेक्ट करते जाओ, ग्रो करते जाओ. So, you're okay health-wise, Apurva? Because yesterday you threw up.
I am fine today.
All right, good. Now, go home. घर जाना. Go home means obviously घर जाना, okay? वापस घर जाना.
Back to home.
Go back home. नहीं आरती, आपको सीखना होगा जो सामने है. आपको कुछ भी पहले रटा हुआ नहीं बोलना है, कुछ भी नहीं. सीखना है दोस्तों. Go home मतलब घर जाना, तो वापस घर जाना.
Go back home.
Go back
home.
Home.
सीखा? कुछ सिमिलैरिटी मिली? उसके पहले जो बोला था आरती आपने, उसमें कुछ कनेक्शन था? नहीं, गलत इंग्लिश है, कुछ गलत सही नहीं है. घर वापस जाना, इंग्लिश
Go back
Go
home.
back home.
Go back.
exactly.
Go back home.
Start work.
काम शुरू करना.
काम शुरू करना.
Get up.
Start work.
Finish work.
काम
काम
खत्म
खत्म
करना.
Have
करना.
lunch.
काम खत्म कर.
Have lunch.
खाना खाना.
Lunch करना.
खाना खाना.
Very good. खाना खाना, lunch करना. Very good. Go to work.
काम के
काम
लिए
पे
जाना
जाना
काम पे जाना.
काम पे जाना
काम पे जाना.
Have a shower.
नहाना
आना
नहाने जाना
पहले क्या बोलते थे? What did you say earlier?
नहाने जाना.
I have take a shower.
Take a shower is also correct. No problems.
Take a shower.
Take a shower is okay. Take a shower is fine. And what else did you say? और क्या बोलते थे?
have a bath
Have a bath is
Have a
correct
bath.
too. Yeah, that's correct. Watch TV.
टीवी
टीवी
देखना
देखना.
पहले क्या
देखे.
बोलते थे? पहले क्या बोलते थे?
पहले भी यही बोलता था सर
Watch TV. Good.
watch
यस
TV
सर
Very good. Get dressed.
कपड़े पहन लो
कपड़े
पहनना.
पहनना
Very good. पहले क्या बोलते थे?
वेयर ड्रेस
wear the clothes
Okay. अब क्या बोलेंगे?
Get
get
dressed.
dressed get dressed
Next.
sir please repeat get
Dressed.
dressed
Dressed.
Okay, sir,
Get
thank you.
dressed.
get dressed
Get dressed. The pronunciation is a little tricky, guys. Dressed. Dressed.
Dressed.
get dressed
Yeah, get
get
dressed.
dressed
अब कल जहाँ किसी ने गलत सलत बोला है तो उसको पनिश कर दूंगा, क्योंकि अभी ध्यान दे रहे होगे तो कैसे गलत बोलोगे कल? अभी ध्यान दे रहे हो? Get dressed.
यस
Everybody?
सर
yes
या
yes sir
Get dressed.
ड्रेस
Get dressed. Next.
have dinner
Have dinner. Have dinner. Next.
go to bed
Go to bed. Go
सोने
to bed.
जाना.
Hindi.
go to bed पे जाना
सोने जाना
Ziba,
Bed पे
no, no,
सोने
no,
जाना.
no.
सोने जाना
पुणे जाना.
Ziva said bed पे जाना नहीं. अच्छा Ziva, imagine
मतलब
this.
सर सोने जाना
Ah, that's better. Okay, that's better. Okay. So these are some phrases. You use them every day, don't you? All of, these are so common everyday phrases. अभी बताना था. Ziba, suppose 4 friends come to see you. Okay, 4 or 5
Yes.
friends come to see you, and they are all in your bedroom now. Okay, so they are close friends, so you invited them to your bedroom. Now there are only 3 chairs. Okay, 2 friends are standing. तो आप कहते हैं बिस्तर पे बैठ जाओ, बिस्तर पे चल जाओ. तो आप क्या बोलोगे? Go to
Yes.
bed बोलोगे? नहीं बोलोगे, कभी नहीं बोलोगे. कभी नहीं बोलोगे go to bed. क्या बोलोगे आप? Go sit on the bed.
go
Sit on the
go
bed.
sit in the
Go
bed
sit on the bed.
sit on the
पर आप go to bed नहीं बोलोगे. Go on the bed बोल सकते हो उसको. Go on the bed. Go sit on the bed. Go on the bed. Okay.
go on the bed
हाँ जो भी. But you will not say go to bed. Okay. But Zeba, when your little nephew, when your little niece is, it is 9 o'clock and he's still watching TV, he's still playing, he's still running around. Then you say, hey, go to bed.
go to
It's
the
9
bed
o'clock.
go,
Go to
go to
bed.
bed
तो go to bed मतलब क्या हुआ दोस्तों?
go to bed सोने जाना
सोने के लिए जाना
Yeah, exactly.
bed
Exactly.
go to bed
Okay. What do you want? Oh. Okay. So guys, next, let's read the text. And we have the pictures here. So the pictures will guide you, don't worry. Number 1, Annie
Gets
गेट्स
up.
अप एट
Yes, yes.
Gets up at 7 in the morning.
gets up at 7 in the
And-
morning. Get up
in
क्यों
the
नहीं?
morning.
Get
Because Annie
Because
sees
Annie is
Annie
she.
Fuller
Annie is she.
सी
Annie को लिए she बोलते हैं ना, तो she के साथ
Yes,
s तो
sir.
लगाना पड़ेगा. Annie
Yes.
gets up
Yes.
at 7 in the morning. Then
Good evening,
she,
sir.
hello
Then she
Shabnam,
have a wash shower
then she
have
has a shower or have a
Have-
shower.
has a shower
shower
has a shower
वही वाली फिर से वही बात. She के साथ have a shower नहीं, s लगाना पड़ेगा.
has
Yes,
a
sir.
Has a shower and
has a shower
बोलिए
washes her hair and
washes her
washes-
hair.
after the
After the shower,
After shower,
she
He
gets
had-
dressed dresses dresses
फिर गलती कर दी सब लोगों ने. अभी पर सिखाया था. Get dressed.
she get
sir.
dressed she gets होगा sir gets
Gets होगा ज़ेबा बेटा.
Gets.
Exactly. Gets होगा.
Gets,
कोई
yes.
बोल दे कि get होगा नहीं मानना. जिंदगी भर नहीं मानना. Okay.
No, sir.
कोई
Gets
dressed.
gets dressed,
She
कोई
gets
कोई
dressed.
कितना भी
Gets
बड़ा टीचर आके
dressed.
बोल दे she get dressed, तो बोलना नहीं, तुम गलत बोल रहे हो, ये बात कभी नहीं हो सकती।
Yes, sir.
डजंट मैटर कि कौन बोलता है, she get नहीं होगा, she gets dressed.
She gets
Dressed, not dressed everybody, dressed.
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 She
Let me
gets
write it for you. Let me
dressed.
write it for you. Dressed. ऐसे आवाज निकालो। क्या लिखा मैंने? Dressed. ऐसी आवाज निकालो, okay?
Dressed. Dressed. Dressed.
Okay?
Dressed. 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 Gets dressed. She gets dressed.
Gets
पूर्णिमा
dressed.
जी
Dressed.
He gets dressed.
She gets
She
dressed.
gets dressed.
Yes. After the shower, she gets dressed. And
Then she
Gets
goes.
dressed.
and before the
Goes
shower,
and
wait,
She
no,
goes
no,
into
no,
the
no,
kitchen.
no. We are not in a hurry. We are not in a hurry to finish. We need to learn, okay? Properly, deeply, okay? We need to learn deeply. No need to run fast. No need to rush. So go slow. Before the shower, we
she
get
gets
undressed. We get
She
undressed.
gets
No.
dressed.
I'm talking about
Undressed.
dress. We get
Before
undressed. Before the shower, we get undressed.
Undressed.
before the shower she gets undressed.
Not she gets undressed. We get undressed, Apurva. We get undressed.
He
हमने उसके बारे में बात नहीं की. I'm
undressed.
talking about the phrase get dressed means कपड़े पहनना और कपड़े उतारना.
Undressed.
Undressed. He gets
Get undressed.
Get undressed. Sometimes when you go to the doctor, you need to get undressed in front of the doctor, right?
yes, sir.
Sometimes you need to get undressed in front of the doctor. Yeah, get undressed. Okay. And when people go to jail, they need to first get undressed. Then they wear the clothes, for the jail clothes, right? Get undressed, clear?
Yes.
Okay. Get dressed, get undressed. Okay. So get dressed means?
कपड़े
कपड़े
पहनना.
कपड़ा पहनना.
Exactly. Get dressed. Yeah. Okay. Sometimes mommy says, "Beta, get dressed. We are going shopping. Beta, get dressed. We are going shopping." Okay. Beta, get dressed. We are going shopping. Okay. इसका मतलब आप बिना कपड़े के बैठे हो, नंगे पंगे बैठे हो.
नहीं कपड़े
नहीं
नहीं
ना.
पहनना मतलब.
It means you're wearing something, but you need to wear the
Yes,
proper
sir.
clothes, right? Get dressed. We are going
Yes,
shopping,
yes, sir.
right? Okay. Now, after the shower means?
नहाने के बाद.
खाने के बाद.
After the shower. After breakfast means? Breakfast के बाद?
खाने के बाद
So we can make more phrases, not after class,
क्लास करने
क्लास
के
के
बाद
बाद.
right?
क्लास के बाद.
क्लास
You
के
can
बाद
you can think of more phrases. Give me more. After marriage.
After work.
After marriage.
after marriage.
After death.
After marriage.
After
don't
death.
After
understand
exam.
After exams.
पहले.
Okay. Yes.
After school.
After
After
school.
school. After
After school holidays.
after shopping.
After shopping.
After walks.
Give
me one
pen please after this
After
after
gym.
half
After Anis.
After पहले. After work.
मैं वेट कर रहा था. देखो किसने कहा आफ्टर प्ले? काशिफ इकबाल ने कहा आफ्टर प्ले. अब ध्यान से सुनना सब लोग. खेलने के बाद आफ्टर प्ले. अब सुनो गौर से. शावर, स्कूल, ब्रेकफास्ट, डिनर, ये सब नाउन्स हैं, हाँ कि ना?
Yes.
Play तो verb.
प्ले तो वर्ब है. तो जब वर्ब नाउन के जगह आता है तो कौन से फॉर्म में आता है?
First form है. Give.
फिर से गौर से सुनो. I like cricket. I like Katrina. I like films. अब ये सारे तीनों सेंटेंस में like के बाद क्या आया? What was the word after like?
Noun.
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 Right? Any problems? After I like movies, I like eggs, I like tomatoes, I like English. All these words after like are nouns, right? Now, if I want to say मुझे दौड़ना अच्छा लगता है, तो I like run. नहीं.
Sir, a phrase
I like running.
I like running.
Like-
I like running.
Running.
तो मुझे बताओ, आपने like के बाद noun बोलना था, लेकिन एक verb जब बोल रहे हैं, तो noun के form में बोलने के लिए क्या करना पड़ा?
V4 means
ING.
introduction.
तो before जो form होता है, एक verb के 5 forms होते हैं. Every verb has 5 forms.
Yes, sir.
The fourth form, ing form, is equal to a
Yes.
noun. Equivalent to a noun.
I said, sir, when you asked.
And why are you repeating this?
Yes, sir.
और आप ये repeat क्यों कर रहे हैं कि आपने बोला था?
नो सर, अभी जब आपने पूछा था ना कि वर्ब को कैसे मतलब
मैं ये पूछ रहा हूँ कि अभी आपने ये क्यों रिपीट किया कि मैंने बताया था?
Because she's so interested.
अपूर्वा,
आई डोंट नो सर.
आप इसका जवाब
That
दीजिए
was
आप.
that time she was confused.
नहीं 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 नहीं,
No,
अपूर्वा,
no, no.
सिर्फ अपूर्वा बात करेंगे और कोई नहीं. अपूर्वा, अभी आपने ये बात अलग से क्यों बताई कि आपने बोला था?
सर जब मैं बोली मतलब जब मैंने वो बताया ना तो मुझे लगा कि शायद सही नहीं है, इसलिए
मतलब उस
आपने
बात
कुछ
से नहीं
बोला.
है, अभी आपको पता चला मैंने जो बोला, राइट? तो
यस
आपने ये
सर.
बात अलग से क्यों बोली कि मैंने उसमें बोला था? ये बात क्यों कही आपने? अगर आप नहीं कहती तो क्या होता?
नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं होता सर.
तो फिर ये बात बोलने का मकसद बताइए. मैं अगर आपकी
सर
मदद
नहीं.
कर मैं आपकी मदद कर रहा हूँ, प्लीज समझिए इस बात को हाईलाइट करके, ठीक है? इस बात को बोल करके मैं आपकी हेल्प कर रहा हूँ. मैंने हमेशा से कहा है, हमारे सोचने के नजरिए से बहुत फर्क पड़ता है, ठीक? अगर आप नहीं
ओके
भी
सर.
हाईलाइट करती ये बात कि सर मैंने कहा था, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. आप उतना ही सीखती जितना भी सीखी हुई हैं, राइट? नहीं भी बोलती तो
यस सर.
always focus on learning which thing is helping you learn better. Okay?
ओके.
Yeah. All right. So, just a second. I was just saying what were we discussing after the shower? Yes. तो बताओ, आपको एक बार पहले शायद हम लोगों ने बात करी होगी इस बारे में, that whenever आपको noun के जगह verb बोलने की बारी आ रही हो, तो mostly the fourth form of the verb is equivalent to a noun. अच्छा देखो, run, ran, run, running, runs. Run has 5 forms.
Yes.
Yeah, run has 5 forms, guys. Now, I like में आपने कौन सा form use किया like के बाद? The fourth form, running. The fourth form, V4, right? Now, tell me, उसके पहले आपने सारे nouns बोले थे ना? I like sports, I like movies, I like tomatoes, I like English, I like Katrina. ये सारे nouns है ना?
Yes.
तो एक बात मैसेज जा सकता है आपके दिमाग में कि अच्छा, जब noun के जगह verb होता है तो कौन से form में होता है?
V4.
Before. अब मुझे बताओ, after the shower, after the exam, after the after the class, after marriage, कुछ भी, okay? अब आपको बोलना है खेलने के बाद, तब
After playing.
After playing, like playing.
दौड़ने के बाद,
After running.
After running.
Sir.
everybody is clear now?
Sir,
After eating.
Yes.
यहाँ पर तो वर्ब नहीं है. आफ्टर द प्लेइंग हम क्यों बोलेंगे? आफ्टर द प्ले तो बोल सकते हैं.
मैं फिर से बताता हूँ सुहानी, गौर से सुनना मेरे बच्चे, गौर से सुनना, ओके? गौर से सुनना. Shower, school, breakfast, dinner, these are all verbs, right? Everybody? Shower, dinner, school, breakfast. These are all verbs, right?
Yes,
No.
sir.
Now
No, sir. No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir. No,
Oh my
sir.
goodness. Oh my
No,
goodness.
sir.
मैं चेक कर रहा हूँ फोकस लोगों का ऐसा करके, okay? They are not verbs, they're all nouns, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. जब मैं कहता हूँ I like cricket, I like English, I like movies, I like English, I like maths, whatever. I like Rakesh, I like Mohan, कुछ भी. तो ये like के बाद आप क्या बोल रहे हो normally?
नॉन बोल रहे हैं
Noun,
Noun.
क्योंकि आप कोई चीज को पसंद करते हो, आदमी को पसंद करते हो, चीज. तो like के बाद noun आना natural है, हाँ या ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Natural है.
Yes,
Like के
sir.
बाद noun आते हैं. Like
एक
ये चीज
room
करते हैं,
में
वो
एक
चीज करते हैं,
reception
like
पास।
करते हैं. Now,
Yes.
अगर मैं कहूं कि मुझे दौड़ना अच्छा लगता है, अब मैं दौड़ना तो वर्ब है ना दोस्तों.
I
Yes,
like
sir.
running.
लाइक के बाद नाउन बोल रहे थे, वर्ब कैसे बोले? नहीं बोल सकते. तो वर्ब का चौथा फॉर्म बोलते हैं आई लाइक रनिंग. अब ये नाउन के बराबर इक्विवेलेंट हो गया, इक्विवेलेंट बराबर. तो इससे मैसेज गया कि जहां जहां नाउन अगर नहीं बोल रहे वहां वर्ब बोलने की बात करें तो वर्ब का कौन सा फॉर्म यूज करेंगे?
Before.
ING.
तो सर
रुको रुको सुहानी, तुम्हें बोलने का मौका मिलेगा बेटा. तो शावर नाउन, ब्रेकफास्ट नाउन, तो ब्रेकफास्ट के बाद, नहाने के बाद, डिनर के बाद, स्कूल के बाद, ऑल करेक्ट. खेलने के बाद कैसे बोलूं? खेलना तो वर्ब है. तो वर्ब का कौन सा फॉर्म नाउन के बराबर होता था? अभी तक क्या सीखा हमने?
before.
तो फिर वही ना बोलेंगे. खेलने के बाद कैसे बोलेंगे? आफ्टर प्लेइंग.
After playing, yes,
After
sir.
that,
आफ्टर प्लेइंग. और बोलना सोने के बाद, सोने के बाद,
After
After
sleeping.
sleeping.
after sleeping,
पढ़ने के बाद.
After reading.
Reading.
वेरी गुड. रोने के बाद.
After
After
crying.
reading.
Crying.
We feel light
Crying.
after crying, na? We feel light after crying. We feel light after crying. कुछ समझ में आ रहा है मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ?
yes, sir.
We feel light after crying. मतलब?
रोने के बाद हल्का लगता है हल्का हो जाता है.
Okay, after crying मैंने बोला cry, cried, cry, सारे फॉर्म छोड़ के कौन सा? Crying. Now your turn, dear Suhani. Now you tell me, do you have a comment to make?
मुझे अभी भी ये आफ्टर प्लेइंग और आफ्टर बिफोर में हो रहा है चेंज. मैं समझ रही हूँ इसको लेकिन आप बोल रहे हैं कि जब ये वर्ब रहेगा तब वो करना है.
ठीक है, मैं यही बोल रहा एग्जैक्टली क्योंकि कौन सा फॉर्म वर्ब का 5 फॉर्म में से कौन सा नाउन के इक्विवेलेंट होता है? ये जवाब दे दो सारे लोग.
before.
तो जब भी
Before.
नाउन के जगह वर्ब यूज कर रहे हो पढ़ सकते हैं. जैसे नहाने के बाद बोला तो आफ्टर शावर. फिर स्कूल के बाद तो कैसे बोलेंगे बेटा? आफ्टर स्कूल. और क्लास के बाद, इंग्लिश क्लास के बाद तो आफ्टर इंग्लिश क्लास. और अगर आप बोलना चाहते हो शादी के बाद तो
After marriage.
After marriage.
मरने के बाद आफ्टर डेथ.
After that.
लेकिन यहाँ तक तो ठीक है, लेकिन बोल दे दौड़ने के बाद तो क्या करेंगे?
After running.
क्योंकि दौड़ना तो वर्ब है, रन. तो V4 में बोलेंगे आफ्टर रनिंग. अगर बोलेंगे हंसने के बाद
after
After
After laughing. After laughing.
तो ये कोई चीज के बाद समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
पॉइंट यहाँ क्या साबित हुआ कि अगर काशिफ ने आफ्टर प्ले बोला था वो गलती होनी थी. मैं वेट कर रहा था. ओके, काशिफ नहीं करते, कोई और करते. तो आई वॉज वेटिंग. ये होता है एक टीचर का इनसाइट कि ये ही होगा आगे थोड़ी देर बाद. आप उसके लिए तैयार हैं. जैसे जो कहते हैं ना कि हम आपके टीचर हैं, किसका मतलब क्या हुआ? हम जानेंगे कि आप किधर जाओगे, हम जो बता रहे उससे क्या होगा, फिर क्या होगा, ये सब मुझे पता होना चाहिए. तो मुझे पता था आफ्टर द शावर के बाद आफ्टर स्कूल, आफ्टर क्लास, आफ्टर डिनर, आफ्टर ब्रेकफास्ट, आफ्टर डेथ, आफ्टर मैरिज, सब होने के बाद कहीं से आ जाएगा आफ्टर प्ले, कहीं से आ जाएगा आफ्टर लाफ. तब मुझे तैयारी थी कि मैं आगे ये बोलने वाला हूँ. और यकीन करो मैंने जब ये चीज पढ़ाई तो आपके साथ साथ एक और क्लास चल रहा है, फिजिकल क्लास चल रहा है, राइट? दैट क्लास इज नॉट ऑनलाइन एंड आई एम टीचिंग वेरी मच द सेम थिंग. एंड गेस व्हाट, उस क्लास में भी एग्जैक्टली यही हुआ. होना ही था. सारे लोग एग्जांपल दिए आफ्टर स्कूल, आफ्टर लंच, आफ्टर दिस, आफ्टर दैट. और उसके बाद किसने कह दिया आफ्टर रन. दौड़ने के बाद? आफ्टर रीड, पढ़ने के बाद क्या बोलना था?
आफ्टर रीडिंग।
Reading.
Suhani, do you still have any doubts, beta?
नो सर।
तो एक और जानकारी मिल गई ना? Which form of the verb is equivalent to a noun?
V4.
Okay, now here comes my fun analogy. अब सुनिए मेरा मजेदार analogy. Analogy मतलब कोई और situation से मिलाता हूँ. बेटा, when you get invitation, okay, and papa, the invitation is against your papa's name, okay. Now papa cannot go. Suppose he's sick, he's too busy. Then he has 3-4 sons. Then which son can go
Is not
instead
go.
of papa? The first
जी,
son or the third or
son.
the fourth? Which son?
पर्सन।
The first son. वो पापा के जगह ले सकते हैं. वैसे ही वर्ब का कौन सा फॉर्म नाउन के बराबर समझा जाएगा? बस वैसे जैसे छुटका भाईबा नहीं जाएगा ना पापा के जगह, वैसे ही V2, V3, V5 नहीं हो सकते. ओके, नाउन इक्विवेलेंट, इट इज V4 ओनली. एनी प्रॉब्लम्स एनीवन?
No, sir.
ओके, लेट्स कंटिन्यू. यस
सर
हाँ.
इसमें भी ये क्या कहते हैं, नेट का कुछ प्रार्थी रहता है क्या? मेरा डेली का डेली बहुत
Can
ज्यादा
you
चला
just
जाता
speak a little loudly, Suhani? Can you bring the mic closer to your lips, to your
है।
mouth?
ये मेरा नेट डेली खत्म हो जाता है बहुत ज्यादा। इस पे सेटिंग करना रहता है क्या? जूम
Yes,
पे?
yes. Because the video is high quality, Suhani. That's why. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
you have to do something about it, or the best thing would be to get Wi-Fi. Okay. All right. The best thing would be to get a Wi-Fi. How many people are using their mobile data to attend the class?
I, sir.
Shabnam is using her mobile data. Anybody else?
I also, sir.
Okay, Imtiaz. And anybody else? Atif is also using his mobile data. Okay. Yeah, Adib is using his mobile data. Yeah. And Uzma is using her mobile data, right, Uzma? So guys,
I
mobile,
talked about the Wi-Fi, my elder brother.
yeah, Wi-Fi is the best because you get
Yes, sir.
unlimited, data at a good
Yes, sir.
speed. So that would be the best. But otherwise, just maybe you can do something with the settings, maybe. Okay. What do we do? I don't know, because I don't use mobile data much. Okay. I just rely on my Wi-Fi all the time. Okay, moving on.
Wi-Fi is very useful.
Very, and we are lucky we have such cheap internet. Okay. So guys, after the बोलो life, शादी के बाद जिंदगी बदल जाती है. Life changes.
आफ्टर
After
मैरिज
marriage,
चेंजिंग।
Life changes.
life be changed.
गलत हो रहा है सुहानी?
Life
कुछ उल्टा पुल्टा चल रहा है
changes.
दिमाग में. जिंदगी बदल जाती है. Life
लाइफ चेंज
changes. S क्यों लगाना है पता है ना? बदल जाती है, बदलती है
Yes,
ना? Life बदल जाती है.
yes,
Life
life
changes. Present
changes.
simple. बदल रही है नहीं. Life बदल जाती है. Life changes
Hmm.
after marriage. Zeba, life changes after marriage.
आरती।
Sir,
Aarti knows. Zeba doesn't know. Kashif.
you told me yesterday
Mhm.
Angela is not singer.
Mhm.
I don't understand why you told me.
I just told you like she's married, Kashif. She's
Yeah.
married. Be careful. She's married. You see, what can I say? How do I explain this? I mean, nothing. I cannot say anything actually. I can only say, I don't know what to say, guys, actually, because the reality is, we all know the rules of society, but it's very difficult to stick to the rules of society, isn't it? Rule says get married and don't think about anybody else. But how many people can actually live that kind of life? Isn't it? So yeah, we humans are a little weak when it comes to following social rules. Many of us don't follow social rules. Okay. Anyways, that's not
Single life
important.
is better than married life.
Single life is better than married life. Now, Shabnam is saying this with experience, guys. Okay. Yeah.
All
Okay.
the responsibility on my shoulders.
Yeah, when
That's
you are
why.
married, you have a lot of responsibilities. True. When you are single, you have to just worry about you, yourself, and Sona Mona.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So, where were we? Yeah, after the shower, she has breakfast. Now, after the shower, she gets dressed. Number 3, picture 3. Can you see picture 3? Number 3, she gets dressed. Then she goes into the kitchen. Get a chair, Mika, get a chair.
Yes, sir.
Bring a chair.
I have
Sit here.
breakfast.
Has
She has breakfast. She has
breakfast.
Then she has breakfast, right?
breakfast.
She
Yes.
goes into the kitchen
Breakfast.
and has breakfast. She has tea and toast. She
Tea
has
and toast.
tea and
Tea
toast.
and
She has
toast.
tea
Tea
and
and
toast.
toast.
Yeah. 5.
Annie
Annie
Go
goes
to
to
Annie
work.
goes to work.
Annie goes to
Bus.
work on the bus.
Annie
Annie
goes
goes
to
to
work
work
on the
on the
bus.
bus. She works
She
in an
works
office.
in an office.
Works in an office.
She works in an office. 6.
He starts work
She
at
starts
9
work at
She
p.m.
starts work at 9.
one.
One shift.
One FC.
She works in an office. She starts work at 9. At 1, she
At
has
one,
lunch
she has lunch
in a cafe
with
with her friend Sal.
friend. She finishes work at
She finished work.
5:30.
Oh my
Finish
goodness. Afreen, beta,
With
there are
her
children
friend.
playing around you and your mic is catching that noise. Okay. She has lunch in a cafe with her friend Sal. She doesn't have lunch with her sister, right? She has lunch with a friend, right?
Friend.
Yeah. Number 8.
She
Finishes
finishes
work at 5:30
She finishes work at 5:30 and goes home.
and goes home.
Goes home. ये phrases याद रखना दोस्तों, आप कुछ और बोल जाते हो. Okay? यही phrases बोलना है ये सब meaning देने के लिए. In the evening,
She has dinner.
she has dinner
Has dinner
and watches TV.
And watches TV.
watches
She likes
She likes dramas.
She likes drama. She goes to bed.
dramas.
She goes to bed at 11.
She goes to bed at
Goes to
11.
bed at 11.
Yes.
Now, exercise 2. In exercise 2, you have
Exercise
to
2.
learn the same thing. What I told you earlier. You have to learn the trio, the tikdi सीखने का मौका मिलेगा. Right? At 7 o'clock, she gets up. At 7 o'clock, she gets up. पता है ना मैं?
Yes, sir.
Question क्या
Yes,
पूछेंगे? कितने बजे उठती है? तो
What
जवाब आएगा
time
7 बजे.
she gets
What time does
she
ध्यान
she
रखना.
gets up?
Does जो है वो what time के बाद आता है समझ सोचना. Does जो है वो तिकड़ी का हिस्सा है. Does she get up?
does
What
she
time
get
does she get up? And the answer is at
What
7.
does
She gets up.
She gets up at 7.
She gets up at
She
7.
get up नहीं Shabnam.
Gets up.
She
Gets up.
She
she gets up at
Gets up.
only
7?
7.
Now number
She
2,
gets
tea
up.
and toast.
What does
What
does
have
she-
she
what does she have for breakfast?
Yeah. All right.
What
What does she have for breakfast? What does she have for breakfast? Tea and toast.
has tea and toast.
Tea and toast.
Very good. Number 3, in an office.
Where does she
Where
work?
does
she work?
Where does she work?
office.
Where does she work?
In an office.
She works
तिकड़ी
in
तिकड़ी
an
समझ में आ रही
office.
दोस्तों? तिकड़ी
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. She work. Yes.
All clear.
Does she work?
Where does she
Now,
work?
Kashif,
Yes, sir.
I talk about you in another class as well. Okay, do you know that?
Yes.
I have a class after this one, and twice I talked about you, in that class. I have huge respect for you, Kashif. You know why I'm saying this? Because इटा देखो बहुत लड़के पढ़ रहे हैं, ठीक है ना, सीख रहे हैं, लेकिन आप जिस तरह से काम के घंटे में आके क्लास करते हो, ठीक है, कॉल आता है, देन यू लीव द क्लास, देन यू कम बैक अगेन, और जब आप रहते हो ना तो इतने फोकस के साथ आप सुनते हो, यू आर अ गुड रोल मॉडल फॉर ऑल द लर्नर्स कि कैसे अपने सिचुएशन के साथ एडजस्ट करके पढ़ाई करते हैं. Otherwise, it's always very easy to make, excuses. इतने स्टूडेंट्स है काशिफ मेरे क्लास में जो खाली एक्सक्यूज देते रहते मुझे, इस वजह से नहीं कर पा रहा, उस वजह से मेहनत नहीं कर रही, इस वजह से नहीं कर रहा. Understand? But you don't give me excuses. You attend the class despite being at work. You are at work right now. You are wearing your work uniform, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, तो मैं इस बात को बहुत अप्रिशिएट करता हूँ काशिफ, ठीक है, और इस बात का हमेशा ख्याल रखें, किसी बात को अन्यथा मत लीजिएगा, ओके? Never take
Yes.
anything otherwise. Yes.
Sir, I have a small confusion.
हाँ, go ahead.
Sometime I told why you
say-
told me, and sometime I told why were you told me.
अच्छा, मैं आपको बता देता हूँ, अभी हो जाएगा क्लियर. सब लोग ध्यान से सुन लीजिए. अच्छा, आपने क्यों कहा, ठीक है, आपने
जी.
क्यों कहा. अगर
क्यों
आप कहते हैं,
कहा?
आप क्यों कहते हैं, आप क्यों कहते
जी.
हैं, तो आप कहते हैं का इंग्लिश यू से.
Say.
यू से. अब यू से का क्वेश्चन क्या होता है, पता है ना सब लोगों को? बोलिए क्या होता है क्वेश्चन.
What do you say?
नहीं, यू से का क्वेश्चन, हम ये नहीं कर रहे, क्वेश्चन वर्ड मत लगाओ, यू से का क्वेश्चन बोलो.
You say.
हाँ, वेल डन. यू से का क्वेश्चन क्या होता है दोस्तों?
What does
नहीं,
Do you
व्हाट
say?
व्हाट व्हेन व्हाई ये सब छोड़ दो, वो सब मीनिंग के लिए है, उसका
Do you
क्वेश्चन से
say?
कोई वास्ता नहीं होता. यू से का क्वेश्चन क्या है?
Do you
Do
say?
you say?
हाँ, जो जवाब दे रहे हैं ना डू यू से, उनका कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर होता जा रहा है दोस्तों. यू से का क्वेश्चन है डू यू से. अंडरस्टैंड? और क्वेश्चन वर्ड हमें मीनिंग के हिसाब से लगाना होगा. व्हेन, कब कहा, कब कहते हो तो व्हेन लगा लो, क्यों कहते हो तो व्हाई लगा लो, किसको कहते हो तो हु लगा लो, तो वो मीनिंग के लिए. लेकिन यू से का क्वेश्चन क्या है? डू यू से.
Do you say?
राइट. तो यू से का क्वेश्चन डू यू से है, तो पास्ट में क्या होगा? डिड यू से. बात खत्म.
Did you say?
Did you say?
पास्ट में डिड यू से. डू यू से की जगह
Did you say?
Did
you
हाँ,
say?
सही है.
Did you say?
Why did you say? Why did you say? Okay.
Okay.
All right. Now let's continue. In an office. In an office.
Office.
Where does she
Where
work?
does she work?
Where does she work? Number 4.
Works in an office.
Yes. Number 4. At 9.
What time does she
What
start
time
work?
does
Time starts work.
Does she?
She
What
starts.
work
She
at
starts.
What time does
at
she
nine.
start?
What time does she start work? तिकड़ी है ना दोस्तों? तिकड़ी.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Does
sir.
पहला वर्ड, फिर सब्जेक्ट, और फिर V1 हमेशा V1. What time does she start? ना कि starts.
Work.
What time does she
Start.
start work? At 9. In a cafe.
Where does she have?
Where does
lunch?
she?
Where does
Does she have lunch?
अच्छा, if I change the answer, if I change the answer to 1 o'clock, then what will be the question?
When does she have lunch?
When does she take lunch? She
Take
have
lunch नहीं है, सब नाम यही मैं कह
Yes,
रहा
sir,
हूँ कि लोग यही
have, sir,
करेंगे.
have.
हाँ.
When does he have lunch? She have lunch.
Okay, everybody, if I
When
change
does
the
she
answer to
have
1
lunch?
o'clock, then you will say when, right?
When
लेकिन
does
फिर भी
she have
एक चीज
lunch?
कांस्टेंट है. बताओ कांस्टेंट क्या है? Does she have?
She
Yes, sir.
have.
Yes, sir.
वो कांस्टेंट है ना?
Does she?
Yes,
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 sir.
sir.
अच्छा, चलो
Does
अब
she
चेंज
have?
करता हूँ आंसर. आंसर इज Sal, her friend. अब क्वेश्चन क्या होगा?
whom does she have lunch?
Very good. मैं थोड़ा सही कर दूं बेटा. Who does she have lunch with? Who does she have lunch with? और दूसरा तरीका with whom?
Yes.
With whom does she have lunch?
बस वो constant है ना बेटा, वो constant है. With whom does she have lunch? Who does she have lunch with? I hope everybody is enjoying this. तिकड़ी बहुत important है. दिमाग में घुस जाए तिकड़ी. English का आधा जंग जीत गए आप, okay? 6.
What does she do in
What does she do in the evening?
What does she do in the evening?
What does she do in the evening? She has dinner and watches TV. What does she do in the evening? She has dinner and watches TV. Okay? Now, move on to exercise 3. तिकड़ी समझ में आ रही है लोगों को?
Yes.
तिकड़ी में हर वर्ड का अपना फिक्स प्लेस है कि नहीं?
Yes.
टू डज का प्लेस पहला है कि दूसरा कि तीसरा तिकड़ी में?
पहला.
सेकंड प्लेस किसका है?
Subject.
सब्जेक्ट. I, you, we, they, he, she, it. तीसरा प्लेस किसका है?
V1?
Verb.
V1. हमेशा V1. Okay? हमेशा V1. Okay. Now exercise 3. Just give me a second. Yes, Chiku. Link open नहीं हो रहा? आप अपना मोबाइल रीस्टार्ट करके देखो. Okay. Next, exercise 3 practice. Correct the sentences about Annie. Annie has coffee for breakfast.
She doesn't have coffee.
She doesn't have coffee for breakfast. She has tea and toast.
She doesn't have coffee for breakfast, right? She has tea
has
and
tea and
toast.
Tea and
She
toast.
doesn't have coffee for breakfast. She has tea and toast. I never have tea and toast for breakfast. I always have roti, sabji, paratha sabji, you know, chura doodh, chura dahi in
I
different
also.
seasons. Yeah. I have a healthy
I
breakfast.
don't like.
Do you have a healthy breakfast? A good breakfast? Roti, sabji?
Yes, I
What do you have for
Yes,
Yes,
breakfast?
sir, yes, sir.
Roti sabji, sir.
Roti sabji, sir.
Some people have bread and jam for breakfast, especially children.
No, this is not good for health.
And chana.
Yeah. Just a second, people.
Yes, bolo. What happened, Swani?
Nothing.
She works in a shop.
She
She
doesn't work
doesn't
in
work
Work in a shop.
She works in an office.
She doesn't work in a shop. She doesn't work in a shop. She
Shop.
works in an
She works-
office.
She works
She
in
works in an office.
Number 3, she starts work at 10.
She
She
doesn't
doesn't
start
start
work
doesn't-
at
Start work at 10.
starts work
She
at
starts
9.
work at
9. 9.
She doesn't start work at 10. She starts work at
They start
9.
work at
9,
9.
yes.
She starts.
It starts.
She
She
starts.
has lunch with her sister.
She doesn't.
She doesn't have lunch with her sister. She has lunch with her
Friend.
With her
She doesn't
friend.
have lunch with her sister. She has
Yes,
lunch
sir.
She
with
has
her
lunch
She
with
friend.
her
has lunch with her
friend.
friend.
She watches
She
sport on
runs in a
TV.
cab with her.
She
She
doesn't
doesn't
watch
watch
Doesn't watch a
TV.
sport on
She
TV.
watches
Watches
She
drama
watches
on TV.
dramas too.
Dramas on TV. एक चीज पे फोकस स्लो दोस्तों आप स्पीड घटा दो 70%
Yes,
स्पीड
sir.
ले आओ जो स्पीड पे बोलते हो क्योंकि किसी ने ड्रामा बोला किसी ने ड्रामास बोला
Dramas.
किसी ने टीवी बोला किसी ने ऑन टीवी बोला तो द प्रॉब्लम इज यू गाइस आर स्पीकिंग फास्ट टू फास्ट आपका दिमाग जितना तेज सोच सकता है उससे ज्यादा फास्ट बोल रहे हो आप तो इस वजह से मुश्किल हो रही है ठीक है आप अपने दिमाग के सोचने की स्पीड पे बोलो ओके
She
अगर आपके दिमाग के सोचने की स्पीड से फास्ट बोलोगे तो उलट पलट बोल जाओगे ओके so speak at the speed which your mind thinks that
Yes, sir.
doesn't
she
watch sport
He
on
doesn't
TV.
watch
She watches
sport.
drama.
She doesn't watch a sport on
What,
TV.
on TV.
She
She
watches
watches
dramas on TV.
dramas on
On
TV.
TV.
लेकिन एक बात समझ नहीं आई जैसे स्लो बोलने की बात करी तो आप लोग मशीन की तरह बोलने लगे मैं बताता हूँ कैसे अगर हिंदी में बोलना होता कि वो टीवी पे खेल देखती है तो आप कैसे रिस्पॉन्ड करते हैं मुझे
वो टीवी पे फिल्म
वो
नहीं
टीवी पे
देखती है टीवी पे ड्रामा देखती है
टीवी पे कोई जोर डाला तुमने सुहानी टीवी पे जरा भी जोर डाला टीवी बोलते समय जरा भी इंग्लिश
नो
बोलते समय
ड्रामा
तुमने
और
टीवी पे
फिल्म
खूब जोर डाल दिया इंग्लिश बोलते समय टीवी पे क्यों किया ऐसा आपको ऐसे बोलना चाहिए शी डजंट वॉच अ स्पोर्ट ऑन टीवी शी वॉचेस ड्रामास ऑन टीवी आपको ऑन टीवी पे जोर नहीं डालना था क्योंकि आप हिंदी में कहाँ डाले जोर टीवी पे जब टीवी वर्ड बोल रहे थे तो उस पर जोर नहीं था बट व्हेन यू स्पोक इंग्लिश ऑन टीवी ऐसे करके बोलने लगे ऐसे नहीं था वो शी डजंट वॉच अ स्पोर्ट ऑन टीवी शी वॉचेस ड्रामास
On TV.
अब वो ना भी बोले तो चलता है नहीं शी गोज टू बेड एट 10:30
She
She
doesn't
doesn't
Go to bed at
Go to bed at 10:30.
She goes
She
to bed at
goes
She goes to
11.
bed at 11.
bed at
at 11
11.
done time to go to the breakout room and practice exercise 2 and 3 exercise 2 and 3 everybody slowly do not go fast please whoever you value okay for that thing's sake you know please whatever you value for that thing's sake do not go fast go slow स्पीड मत करना भाई धीरे बोलना अपने ईगो को कंट्रोल में रखना ईगो अलाउ नहीं करता तुम्हें धीरे बोलने का तुम्हें लगता हम इतने कमजोर हैं इतना धीरे बोले नहीं तुम कमजोर नहीं हो तुम अच्छे हो इसलिए धीरे बोलोगे ओके अंडरस्टैंड दिस माइंडसेट मैटर्स अपनी स्पीड को अपनी फ्रेंड और अपनी ये मत समझो प्राइड मत समझो प्रॉब्लम है तुम्हारी वीकनेस है तुम्हारी गो स्लो लेकिन स्पीक नेचुरली स्पीड घटाओ लेकिन स्पीक नेचुरली ओके
जी की स्पीड से
fine
यस सर
okay then everybody I'm opening the rooms for you
Okay, sir.
सर
yes
I want to practice with Suhani.
ऑन डिमांड के लिए 2000 अलग से लगेगा on demand partner if you want on demand partner for this feature you have to recharge your account with 2000 rupees then you get the partner of your choice otherwise go with the person this Zoom selects okay
Okay, sir.
Don't worry, Aarti. I'm gonna put you with a friend of from the old batch. Help him, okay, Aarti?
Okay, sir.
Yep. Okay, people, I'm opening the rooms. Go ahead and practice. Practice hard. A lot of people are stuck here. Is it your bad internet, guys? Dharmendra, Apurva, Abhishek, Adib, Nausheen, Sulekha. Oh my goodness. Nausheen.
सर नहीं हो रहा सर.
Don't worry, don't worry. You will get there. Sulekha, go to the breakout room just to listen, okay, Sulekha? Go and listen to people practicing. Sulekha, just go and listen, okay? Don't need to practice. अभी 7 साल का है ना, 4 साल 11 होते होते इसको सैनिक स्कूल में हम भर्ती करवा देंगे. लिख कागज पे लिख के देते हैं. ठीक है, इतना
Hello,
तो
sir.
इंग्लिश देखेगा. Hello everybody, welcome back.
Hello, sir.
So, did you have any problems?
No
No,
problem, sir.
No
No
problem.
problem.
Okay.
All right.
We have a couple of more pages, but we will do them later. Here, everyday English. Remember, we were reading the clocks?
Yes, sir.
How to read the clocks? अगर मैं पूछूं क्या आपको घड़ी देखना आता है?
Yes sir.
Yes. Yes, sir.
How will I say that in
Yes.
English? How will I say that in English? क्या आपको घड़ी देखना आता है?
I watch it.
Yes.
Can you read the clock? Can you?
Read
Yes,
the
I
clock.
read the
Can you
clock.
read the clock?
Yes, I read.
Can you read the clock in English?
Yes I
Yeah,
read.
I can.
So-
Okay, then tell me, what time is it in this clock?
5:55
It's
Not working. 15 to 6.
5 to 6.
It's 5 to
It's
6.
5 to 6.
5 to 6.
Yes,
it's
sir.
5 to
It's 5 to 6.
yeah.
And what time
5
is it
to
in
6.
this
It's
clock?
20 to 6. It's
It's
20
It's
to
20 to
It's
6.
20 to
20
6.
to 6. 20
And what about here?
It's
It's
25
25
past
past
5.
It's
25
25
past 5.
25.
And what time
It's
is it
10
here?
past
10
5.
5 past 5.
10 past 5.
Past 5.
Past
10
Uh,
past 5.
What time is it here?
past
It's quarter to 9.
It's quarter to
quarter to 9.
9.
to 9.
And this?
It's
It's quarter past 5. Past 2.
Quarter past.
It's half
It's
past 11.
half
Half
Past
past
11.
11.
11. It's half 11.
8 o'clock.
It's 8
Clock सिर्फ
o'clock.
इसमें यूज हुआ. Clock सिर्फ इसमें यूज हुआ. Did you notice
Yes,
that?
sir. Yes, sir.
yeah.
Yes, sir.
And इसमें यूज हुआ. Okay.
5
Why?
o'clock.
Why?
It's
Because
completely 8 o'clock.
completely. It's completely.
So clock सिर्फ full hours में. Okay. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock,
Yes.
3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. I need 2 minutes with you. Hold on.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Guys, we are kind of running out of time. Okay.
Okay.
So
Yes.
2 minutes with him. 2 minutes.
Mm.
Okay. Dear students,
Yeah.
exercise 4 will be your homework. Okay. I will share the audio file 2.18.
Time, please.
Excuse me. Can you tell me?
Excuse me. Can you tell me the
I'm sorry. I don't have a watch.
Of course.
Thank you so much.
Yes,
question of all?
just over 6 o'clock.
No.
Very much. Excuse me, can
It's
you tell me the time, please? I'm sorry, I don't have a watch.
Hello, Ati.
Yeah.
Never mind. Yes.
All right, guys. I've shared the homework in the group. And do your best, right?
Yes.
And whenever you need to read the clock now at home, read in English. It will be good practice for you. And you
Okay,
guys
sir.
can make simple sentences. भैया ये बोलते हैं, मम्मी ये कहती है, मम्मी ये करती है, पापा ऐसा करते हैं. You can make such sentences in English now. Try and push yourself a little if you can. Not too much, just push yourself a little. Okay? Think in your head and always speak slowly when you speak English. Allow your mind to think what is the right thing to say. Do not try and go fast. If you try and speak too fast, you will fail your mind, okay? You will not give your mind enough time. Not good for you. And I'm wrapping up now. It is nearly 7. So we will continue tomorrow. Is that okay, everyone?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye. And Shabnam, if you want to be there in the evening class, 7 o'clock class for a few days, you can try, okay? You can try there. No problems.
Aarti, who was your partner?
And Suhani,
Sir,
stop being
मैं सुन लेती हूँ
mischievous.
record-
Stop
sir,
being
आप-
mischievous, Suhani. Stop being mischievous. Suhani is, देखो बेटा, दूसरे की मस्ती, दूसरे पे बिल फाड़ के मस्ती करते हैं हम लोग. Suhani is doing that exactly. बिल कोई और पे करेगा उसकी मस्ती का. Suhani,
sir.
no mischief, Suhani. Okay, no mischief like this. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye, everybody.
Sir,
Bye-bye.
sir.
Yes, Shabnam.
सर
चीकू सुहानी.
सर मैं तो रिकॉर्डिंग सुन लेती हूँ ना,
Uh-huh.
तो सर मैं इसी बैच में रहूंगी.
Okay, Shabnam. Your choice. Totally, no problems.
मैं
Shweta,
रिकॉर्ड सर जो छूट जाता है ना आधा घंटा,
हाँ,
तो वो मैं रिकॉर्डिंग में सुन लेती हूँ.
okay, that's great.
उससे
अभी
मुझे
7
पता चल
बजे
जाता है
इसके
कि
बाद
आपने क्या
class है.
पढ़ाया.
We have another class, a senior class. Shweta is asking to be
Yes.
in that class. So Shweta is not here. She's going to be in the 7 o'clock batch. Okay. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye, everyone. Take care.
Bye,
Bye.
sir.
Bye-bye. See ya.
Bye.